Assalamu alaikum, a very warm greetings to all my viewers. I am going to tell you my final year project. First of all, let's have a quick introduction. We have made a ML based project, namely Prediction of Financial Position of Pakistani Commercial Banks from 2009 to 2021 under the supervision of engineer Sir Zubair Ahmed. We are a team of two members, me as a Laiba Maiman holding roll number 18SW142 and my partner Mr. Mudassir Ahmad holding roll number 18SW68. Now let's move forward. In this presentation I will elaborate you my final year project by covering all these contents. Let's talk about the introduction. The project is based on the prediction of financial position of Pakistani commercial banks. Our project is predicting the best bank by using the prediction accuracy model. Now, let's come to the problem statement. The major problem of our project is that if any common people wants to invest their large amount of money in the 15 banks, now how they will come to know that which financial banks is stable or viable in terms of profit margin and average return on equity. So the solution that we have provided in our project is that we have made the prediction model by using the algorithm random forest regression and the support vector machine regression. By judging the accuracy ratio on each bank, we have predict the best bank. And these are the data sets of the 15 Pakistani commercial banks from 2009 to 2021. So let's explore the code practically. This is the complete code of our project in which algorithms is implemented. Let's see the project in pictorial form completely. This is the data set from 2009 to 2017, and here I'm using the graph bar plot with respect to total asset turnover from 2009 to 2017. And here we can find that at the highest rank we found ABL with value 42%. Here we do the visualization based on the total return on assets with respect to total return on equity, with respect to total profit margin, with respect to total earning per share. Here you can see we found the HPL at the highest rank with the value of 24% at the max function, with respect to total dividend, and finally we come to know our result with respect to average return on equity and average return on asset. We found that MCB and HBL banks are the at highest rank from 2009 to 2017. Then we applied the ML algorithm from data from 2009 to 2021, and we applied the algorithm on both like as well as individual or overall data. For the overall data, when we applied the algorithm, we found the accuracy of 73% on the testing data with the mean square error and mean absolute error 3% and 35%. So yeah, we found that in our when we applied the random forest regressor algorithm on overall data, we found 73% of the accuracy. The same data we applied on different algorithm. This algorithm is support vector machine. So we found accuracy by using different kernels, like in support vector we using the different kernels RBF, linear kernel and polynomial. So by using three of kernel we found the highest accuracy using polynomial kernel of 73%. So both of the algorithm when we applied on overall data we found 73% of algorithm with mean absolute error and mean square error. Now it's time to apply algorithm on each individual bank. So this is the data set from 2009 to 2021, and we applied we have to select the bank 15 banks from this checkbox list. Okay, now I am applying the allied bank with applying the random forest algorithm. Let's see how much accuracy we have found. We have found the 70% of the accuracy at the allied bank by applying the algorithm random forest. If you want to see the code, here you can go. like how much accuracy, how much value I put on the testing data and the training data. If I want to go at the bank alphala and I select the another algorithm support vector machine, let's see what we found. Okay, we have found the accuracy of 62%. Let's select another bank which gives the highest accuracy. When we select the bank Al Habib and support vector machine algorithm using the select kernel linear, we found the 79% of accuracy on the testing data as well as on 99% of the training data. So moving towards the methodology phase, we have been gone through each and every single phase. Like we have a data set, we go through pre-processing, implementation step, data visualization, ML regression algorithms, we have applied random forest and support vector machine, and then we have concluded. This is the complete workflow of our project. From each phase we have been gone through. Okay, in a nutshell, we conclude that from 2009 to 2017, we got MCB and HBL at the highest rank in terms of average return on equity. And when we applying the machine learning algorithms on dataset from 2009 to 2021, we have found the 73% of accuracy in overall data. And when we predict on each individual bank, we found the bank Al Habib with accuracy of 79% using the algorithm SVM at the highest rank. But comparatively, according to our analysis and vision, support vector machine works so well on this dataset because of using kernel techniques. So yeah, that's it. Thank